Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our fourth lecture titled What is Econometrics? So I have divided my fourth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is econometrics? What are the main types of econometrics? Language activities, including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and finally grammar. Last element about assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. What is econometrics? Econometrics is the use of statistical and mathematical models to develop theories or tests existing hypotheses in economics and to forecast future trends from historical data. What are the main types of econometrics? There are two branches of econometrics, theoretical econometrics and applied econometrics. Language activities, the word prediction as a countable noun and an uncountable noun means a statement that says what you think will happen. The act of making such a statement, for example, the results of the experiment confirmed our predictions. It's difficult to make accurate predictions about the effects on the environment. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.